I'm not YouTube worthy.
Hello internet friends! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Literal Cream, here with a beautiful friend of mine. Cheers. Okay, alright.
I'm losing it. We can't do a YouTube video.
Today will be another episode of Cooking with Literal Cream. We're going to be making my favorite recipe from 2nd grade.
Only 2nd grade?
Yeah, what, can you repeat the question?
Was this only your favorite snack through 2nd grade?
That is a great question. Thank you for asking. No, actually, this was a recipe I invented in 2nd grade and proceeded to utilize throughout elementary school.
I'm excited to try this.
You only need 3 ingredients: a bagel, cream cheese, and a secret ingredient that we'll save for the end of this. First, you're gonna want to toast your bagel.
After the toaster. What kind of bagels do we have for Literal Cream?
Okay, so we are using Dave's Killer Bread bagels, cinnamon raisin mix with 10 whole grains and 11 grams of protein. So this is a healthy choice for you to have. Thank you.
I'm not made out for this list though.
I really cannot do this right now. Okay.
I just told myself sit the fuck down.
We're gonna be toasting our bagels for 5 minutes.
5 minutes in? Are you sure? I don't think that's accurate.
And number 5, I like my bagels like I like my men. Raw. Shut the fucking cap.
Oh my god. Basically, this is a fail bet. Like and subscribe. Ew! Stop chugging all my milk.
It's good for you.
This is good for the body.
Tell them something about yourself. Well, we wait for our bagel to cook.
Oh god.
Shit, we gotta make more than 1.
Yeah, we gotta make 3. So, something about me.
If you don't like what you say, we can just cut it out.
Yeah.
Tell me about the Tinder boys that you were
No.
fucking with in the restaurant.
There's no Tinder boys in Kansas. I actually knew people there. Here, I don't know nobody, so I gotta go to Tinder because I fucking don't have any nuts.
Shit.
Wait, Literal Cream, did I not take my whole shot or was that you?
That's gotta be me.
I can't believe it. I literally just told you, like, took you out tonight and then fucked you up.
That's what I needed.
Yeah, right? Did you just put a bagel on top of the bagel? Okay, daily vlog. Hey guys, what's up? This is the vlog channel out here. So, we had this great idea to go to fucking Applebee's. And, I mean, it was chill. Our waitress was slow at first, but then she was nice. We got real drunk.
Our waitress has seen some shit.
Yeah, because we were just, you know, giving her shit and being like a little annoying. And she just played it off super clever.
Oh shit. Our
yeah.
bagel's done.
And you know what we have to do? Is it done?
I think one of them, but that one's not done. That one's done, I think.
Don't put 2 parts together.
Should we throw them back in?
You want to know a handy trick? If you apply stuff on bread with a spoon, the back of it, it doesn't like dig into the edges. So it doesn't rip the bread or whatever.
Those are really smart.
I love life hacks. That's a fun fact about me. If you have a problem with something, if you let me know, I would definitely know the solve for that. Damn, that's aggressive. I keep accidentally pushing the gas burner.
If you're having trouble removing your bagel from the toaster, use a knife. Just kidding. Use a fork. Now you're going to take some cream cheese.
Crunches.
This step is optional. I was originally not a fan when I first invented this recipe, but now that I am a sophisticate, I have acquired the taste.
I'm like, get your wrist twisted like a stir fry. Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. What kind of cream cheese is this?
Right, thank you. I need you here. I'm going to be going with Kite Hill vegan cream cheese.
Crunches.
You can go with regular cream cheese.
Oh god, it smells so bad.
If you want to be a total unethical piece of shit. But whatever's to your liking. I mean, I'm already a piece of shit. But at least I'm vegan.
Literal Cream, you gotta say that without dying.
I've got that going for me. I can't do this right now. This is like... I got so hard.
World's worst YouTube video ever invented. Coming to life from Literal Cream.
Subscribe.
This is what happens when she makes friends.
Okay, oh wait, we're gonna
I don't know about this. Do you have regular that I can be a piece of shit?
You're not a piece of shit. I think everyone should do their dietary needs.
I wish I could go vegan, but like, God, I'm just a pussy. Sour cream, dude. Sour cream's like one of the best things that ever happened to mankind. I feel like maybe someday I'll get there, but fuck. I'm putting this back in the toaster. It's just not cooked. You like your bagels, cream cheese raw like you like your man cock. I don't know if I like it. Can you guys see the secret ingredient on camera? I feel like it's probably in screen. You want to reveal it?
For the final step, you're going to need a chocolate chip cookie.
Oh, I thought you were going to look it up.
Oh, then I'm going to say the line that you hate. Now for the third and final step, you're going to need a chocolate chip cookie. Ken Burns. Put that right between your bagel and bada bing bada boom.
Oh my God. It's even worse when you say that. Bada bing bada boom. Uh-oh, the fucking... I'm just gonna eat the goddamn thing. Ow, I got myself. I wish it was real cream cheese. I'm thinking there's only room for 1/2 of the cookie.
You think one?
Yeah.
I don't know if 2 will fit.
Yeah, look, see?
Okay, and then you eat it. Oh, what do you think of it?
We're good. My only comment is sorry, I wish it was real cream cheese. Sorry, vegans, don't hate me, don't come for me. If you only ate this, you would think it was so bomb. Okay, come on. What does it taste like? When's the last time you had this?
I must have been like 12. It was so long.
I don't know, it's weird. It's like an Oreo cookie mashup, but something different completely.
You may be saying, hey, Literal Cream doesn't seem like very healthy lunch, but, well, internet friends, I survived off of this almost every single day of elementary school, save for French toast sticks and pizza day. And I grew to be the 6-foot-tall specimen you do see in front of yourselves today. So take that, science. Mmm, so yummy. I shouldn't have made a script.
Yeah, I shouldn't have read the script, because now I'm like, the jokes are funny, but now I'm like, I do know this. No, we're gonna have to come back at you another time when we're not. Applebee's got us fucked up, dude. I don't know, this is so weird. Why are you eating out? I'm like, what the fuck am I eating?
You can call it the Daily Haley.
You ready for one, Kyle?
You have a bite?
Sure.
Wait, oh, you're gonna think it's so good.
Haley on the daily. But my name's not Haley, my name's Hallie.
Hallie, Dolly, what do you want?
Then people are gonna say my name's Haley, basically, if I do that.
Oh, you want a cool nickname or what?
I do, but fuck. Where's my birth certificate at, though?
Literal house.
This is gross.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah, it's really gross. You know, like,
When you're not really fine, but you
I think it's weird, but I mean, I'm fucking high as shit, so anything tastes good. You know, when you're fucking stoned and it's like, no.
No, I had one. It was gross.
when you're not really fine.
Kyle, come on the camera. We have a joke for the camera and it includes you. Come on, Kyle, get in the camera. Yeah, over here. You guys have studio production pornography.
Oh, who knew you had the lighting? That changes the game.
What? Oh, we need a thumbnail.
Oh, yeah. No, I have to make it like, oh my god. I'm recording it.
I think we got something. I'll always Photoshop it.
Yeah, right, fuck it.
I hope you all enjoyed this. If you decide to recreate this, please let me know what you thought of it. This has been Literal Cream and my special guest on Cooking with Cream. We'll see you all in my next video.
Bye.
Abso.
Cough.